In a continuously growing file cabinet with a large volume of records, inaccuracies and typing errors may sneak into the system. Not all users make correct entries during indexing. For example, the first name and the last name may be in the wrong order, or the company name may be erroneously entered in the index field without the additional Inc. or LLC. The Index Cleaner helps you correct and standardize the index data of your file cabinets quickly and easily. You can use this tool to eliminate typing errors, for example, in company or personal names, and to standardize the spelling of proper names. The Index Cleaner reviews a specified index field for similar entries, builds groups of words with these index entries, and verifies how many times the different terms in the file cabinet's index field occur. The result is a list of all incorrect spellings of an index term. Based on this list, you decide which term shall be used in the future and which index entries need to be corrected. After cleaning up, documents can be more easily found, as the spelling of company and contact person names is standardized. Use of the Index Cleaner is also recommended for the Windows Explorer client or for tree views to create a clearer structure. Let's first look at a simple example explaining the basic settings. In the Index Cleaner, select the file cabinet and the index field to be cleaned up. Start the search by clicking on one of these buttons. The following two cleanup types are available. 1. You can compare different forms of spelling to correct typing errors, for example. 2. You can adjust the word order in an index field. For example, this applies to company names consisting of several personal names, or to first names and last names in the contact field. After successfully completing the search, the Index Cleaner provides you with a series of word groups. Select the index entries to be corrected and decide on the terms to be used instead. In this example, the name of the company, Peters Engineering, was spelled differently in the file cabinet in several instances. The most common spelling is the correct spelling in this case, and this is also the spelling to be used as an index term for all other documents related to Peters Engineering. Select all incorrect spellings. In a correction run, these will be changed to the correct form of Peters Engineering. Initiate the correction run. All index terms that you selected will be corrected. The file cabinet no longer contains any misspellings. All documents have the correct company name as an index term. To more precisely correct incorrect terms when performing a search and correction run, the Index Cleaner provides various optional settings. List of excluded word. To simplify the cleanup process, specific words can be excluded. These words will not be included in the search. This can be useful for words that occur several times in various company names, such as corporation, Ltd, systems, etc. In so doing, you can prevent the system from considering two different companies as different spellings of one company name. The Auto Fill-In function helps you find such words. Indicate the minimum number of different index entries in which a word must be included. The Index Cleaner browses the index field for words and transfers them to a list, sorted by frequency. Select the words that you want to ignore when performing a search later. The External Terms function allows you to compare index entries with text document entries, for example, a list of all contacts from your CRM. The Index Cleaner also considers this information when building word groups. Use this function to make sure that the customer names from your CRM are correctly used in the file cabinet. External lists need to be available in TXT format. Search tolerance. Once the search is started, you can change the search tolerance. The search tolerance specifies to what degree index entries must match so that the Index Cleaner recognizes them as different spellings of an entry and starts building word groups. For example, search tolerance 4 means that in 4-character terms, Only one character may differ, while 3 characters must be identical in order for the index cleaner to recognize these terms as similar and to build word groups. In 8-character words, 2 characters may differ. If search tolerance 8 is specified, 8-character words may only include one differing character in order to be corrected. This means that if, for example, U.S. steel is stored as U.S. stall, which includes 2 errors, the index cleaner will be unable to correct the spelling if search tolerance 8 is selected. However, if search tolerance 4 is specified, the word will be corrected. You can use the tools mentioned to further enhance the efficiency of cleaning up your entries and to improve the accuracy of the results.